right, let's get this cover off. Ready when you are. There we go. See this manifold? It's cracked. Right, so we need a full rebuild. Exactly, let's pull the head. This engine's giving us trouble. Let me check the timing. Good, let's take a closer look. Here, take this rag. Got it, what's next? Wipe the intake, then we check the timing. Check the timing on this one. Got it, grabbing the wrench, right there. Torque it to spec, on it. This supercharger setup is really something. Yeah, the torque curve is incredible, watch this. Let's fire it up. Feels solid. Good, let's check the timing. Looks good, ready to fire it up. This rebuild's coming along, let's check the timing chain. Right here, looks aligned, no slack. Good, we'll torque it down. Check the timing chain tensioner. On it, feels loose. Adjust it, use the 10 mil. All right, let's check the timing on this one. Looks good, let's fire it up. Looks solid, ready to fire her up? Yeah, let's give it a shot. All right, turning the key. Hear that? She's See firing. This hose? It's loose. Right, that explains the leak. Grab the wrench, let's see this intake? That's what gives it the extra kick. Right, the new heads really balance it out. All right, let's get this intake on. Right, torque specs are here. Good, watch for cross-threading. That engine rebuild is really coming together. Yeah, it looks incredible. Can't wait to fire it up. What do you think of the build on this one? It's solid, the compression is perfect. Let's check this manifold, it's running hot. The gasket looks worn. Exactly, we'll replace that. See this hose? Got it. It's loose, that's the problem. Okay, so we just tighten the clamp? Exactly, watch how I do it. Let's see what we're working with. Check the timing first. Distributor looks good. Look at this engine. It's a real beauty. Absolutely. The chrome is mint. Can't wait to hear it. Look at that engine bay. We rebuilt it from scratch. It's perfect. The power on this will be unreal. Look at this timing chain. It's worn. I see it. We should replace that. Good. Let's get this line here. That's the issue. Right. The pressure reading is off. Exactly. Let's run a diagnostic. Timing on this engine is spot on. Yeah, it sounds great. How's the compression? Look at that. She's ready to go. Perfect timing. Yeah, she sounds ready to go. One more check and she's good. Let's check the timing on this one. Right, the dwell looks a bit off. We'll adjust the points. Let's have a look. Right behind you. Check the timing here. Looks solid. Look at this rebuild, it's a beast. Yeah, the headers are custom. Let's check the timing. Good idea. Grab the air filter. Looks clogged. I'll get the wrench, right? And check the vacuum line. Think the new manifold will fit? Yeah, the specs match. I'll check the clearance. Good. Check the gas. Compression is looking good on this rebuild. Yeah, the new ring's seated perfectly. All right, see the wear on this intake manifold? Yeah, needs replacing for sure. All right, this one's running rich. Check the choke. Right, this one needs a timing adjustment. All right, let's see this hose? It's cracked. Right, so we need a new one? Exactly, I'll grab one. Timing on this is spot on. Yeah, she sounds real healthy. Let's check the plugs. See the corrosion here on the terminals? Yes, I see it. We should clean that. Exactly. Then check the grounds. This yellow beauty is coming along nicely. Yeah, the engine rebuild was tough. Let's get these valves upgrade. Boost power by 20%. Impressive. And the torque? Up 15%. The new intake block looks solid. Needs new bearings. Right. And the timing chain? We'll do that. Grab the wrench. The yellow really pops on this one. It does. The engine is purring perfectly. All right, let's get this beast running. Sounds good. Let's check the timing. Good call. Looks solid. Check the fuel line pressure here. Right. It feels loose. What do you think of these engines? They're incredible. The detail is amazing. We'll get them running like new. Look at this beauty. We've really brought her back to life. Absolutely. The engine rebuild was spot on. All right, let's check the compression on that engine. Right behind you. We'll use the gauge here. Got it.